Hello everyone, this is Ding. Welcome to VRAY Sketchup series. In this video, we're going to talk about editing materials in Sketchup. Let's begin by editing this material. It is the door's color, and to do that, we go to the materials editor and click on the sample paint. Go back to this material and sample it. Now this one becomes the active materials ready for editing, as we can see here. Let's go to the edit tab, and we have a color picker here. We can edit the active materials by using the color wheel, HLS, HSB or RGB, but let's just try this color wheel. Notice that by moving this one, the color changes, and if we want this to be a little darker, we just glide this one, we just slide this one, and we can also change the name of the materials. Let's make it door color. Now this material that we have just edited can be found here. Click on the select tab, and we have it here in the in model, right there. Now let's go sample another material for editing. Let's try this one. We go on the sample paint, click on it. It's now the active material ready for editing. This is the grass, dark green. Click on the edit tab. Now because this material is a texture image, it's much better to edit this material from here. Let's begin by changing these values. Now we'll make this 5 meters and see what happens. Now as you can see, the image becomes bigger. Another way of editing this material is by actually changing the image. We can do this by clicking on this one, and we can browse for a new image. Now let's say we want to change this material into this one I have in my file, and click on this one. So here we not only edit the materials, but we actually change the material, and as you notice, it takes on a different name now, Grass4, a JPEG file. And furthermore, we can edit this material through Photoshop. Now my Photoshop is already opening. Now let's do some editing here. Let's make it very different. We adjust the levels. Let's make a glaring change to our material. Now let's exit, and we have this here edited now. And as you can see, we edit our material from an external editor, but we can also see the changes in our SketchUp drawing.
Thank you guys for watching, and I would also like to thank some new subscribers to this channel. Thank you very much, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe now. Click that notification bell. I will upload more videos. I want to grow this channel together with you guys, and I hope you'll stick around. So see you soon.